Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the best Guyanese METEMGee. Guys, you already see right there. I mean, it speaks for itself. It is absolutely delicious and I can't wait to show you guys how to put this together. Alright, so these are the ingredients that we will be using. I would have already washed my edos, sweet potatoes, yuca or cassava, and my turned plantains. All right, and these are the rest of the ingredients that we will be using. So to my pot, I added some oil, my sliced onion, ginger, and garlic. We are going to saute this. And then we added some basil and some green onions, habanero pepper, and some parsley. After 2 minutes, we are going to add our provisions, which is our sweet potato, yuca, and edos. Some carrots. You're going to season to your likeness and taste. Then you're going to add your coconut milk. Now I'm not using fresh coconut milk today, but the box coconut milk that I use in the red box, I think that's a perfect option. It is rich and creamy, so I think you guys can get that one. I'm really not a fan of the tin coconut milk, but if that is what you have, you can use it. All right, then I added some stock. Here you can adjust your flavors, cover, and let it cook. And after it is like, 3/4 ways through, you can go in with your turned plantains. All right, because you want your provisions to have that integrity. So these Duff, guys, the perfect Guyanese Duff, please check the link out in the description box. You guys are going to be blown away by this recipe. All right, so when you add your Duff, this is what it looks like. Perfect. It is light, airy, fluffy. It sucks up all that amazing broth. All right, again, don't forget to check the link out for that as well. Now you cannot have METEMGee without Duff. It just doesn't work. All right. So since that is done, so it took approximately about 40 minutes, and then I pour that out just for presentation, because you can just leave it right in the pot. That is just fine, but I want you guys to see how rich this is. You can remove any stems there from the thyme. You can garnish. Remember, you took the Duff out after this done cooking, because you don't want your Duff to fall, and then you can just add that back up there. Looks absolutely amazing. If you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, like, share, and a comment. Love you guys. Bye-bye.